What's up everybody, and I'm an eBay reseller trying to show you how to sell Revere Ware and how to clean them up. Those copper plated stock pots and saucepans. They come in various different sizes in stainless steel form and copper form. It also has that distinct handle and distinct lid that you can always spot. Okay, let's talk about how much you can sell it for. So, I've sold the stock pot for this much, and I've also sold lots for this much. I've sold this, I've sold this, and this. That's worth the money. If you can find them for, I'd probably say under $7, I would buy them every time. I sell them really quick too. That's the thing. I sell them like probably in the next day. I can sell them really quick for a good profit. So that's why you should pick them up. Cleaning the copper bottom is pretty easy. All you need to do is watch this clip. And there you have it. It's really clean. You can even see the logo now. Actually, that might be a really old one. And there you have it. It's all cleaned up and it looks really nice now. Just gotta clean this side up. Okay, there you go. As you can see, I have a stock pot right here. Here's the bottom of it. It's in really nice condition. But yeah, this one, I literally just sold one of this one for $18.99. So these are, I think I bought for like $2.49, so that's a really good deal. And there's also these two different ones, which this one is like the normal one you're gonna find in a resale shop. There it is right there. And then this one's a little different. It is Revere Ware, it has a different handle as you can see. And this one has a like more of a curved handle. These ones are both Revere Ware. This one, don't know if you can see that, but it does say Revere Ware on there, and it says 4 pennies, which don't know what that means. It might be like an old set that was made for JCPenney. I don't know. But the handle is definitely a lot different, and these ones I haven't, this is the only one I found of this one, but I just listed it for $19.99 without the lid. And oops, this one does have the lid, and I think it's like $25 or somewhere around there, but still, cool Revere Ware. So make sure you guys look out for Revere Ware, and hopefully you guys sell it. Let me know in the comments down below if you ever found any Revere Ware and how much you sold it for. Thanks for watching. See ya.